It's an end of an era. The Disney Movie Insiders Rewards Club is now ending after 18 years. It used to be called the Disney Movie Rewards Club, and then sometime it changed to Disney Movie Insiders. Basically, you could earn points by doing certain activities, just buying Disney gear, entering the rewards code, and then you can redeem it for a lot of different prizes. But now, just as an announcement, if you do have any points left, you definitely want to redeem them now because they'll all be gone by December 3rd of this year. I have a link with all the FAQ in the description if you want to read through it, but I just wanted to show you what I ended up redeeming my points for so that you can have an idea of maybe what you may want to redeem it for. So the big ticket items I used on the Blu-ray and DVDs that they have left, they actually have quite a few selections available. If you have a lot of points, they have some really expensive redemption options like these figurines, but I just redeemed them on Blu-rays, so I got Finding Nemo Collector's Edition Blu-ray and DVD, and then I went with Monsters University Blu-ray DVD, and then this Finding Dory Blu-ray combo DVD and digital copy. And then I ended up using the rest of my points, which I couldn't get physical stuff for, on just digital stuff. So there's actually quite a few digital artwork that you or puzzles and whatnot that you can get without any points at all. So I first tried to get all of those, and then I went ahead with the 5-point redemptions of the digital versions. And it only took roughly a week and a half for all 3 Blu-rays to get to me. So I'll be doing separate unboxing videos of each on my channel, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested. But yeah, so that's just a public announcement. Go redeem your points, and I hope Disney brings another rewards program that's just as cool in the future.